Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra. Part 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. Translated by Thomas Cleary, read by Angus Cargill. All the miraculous displays of the Buddhas of past, present, and future were all seen in his light, and all the adornments of inconceivable eons were revealed. There were great enlightening beings, numerous as the atoms in 10 Buddha worlds surrounding him. Their names were Universally Good, Samantabhadra, Light of the Supreme Lamp of Universal Virtue. Universal Virtue, Lion Banner of Universal Light, Subtle Light of Flames of Universal Jewels, Banner of Oceans of Qualities of Universal Sounds, Realm of Enlightenment of Radiance of Universal Knowledge, Banner of Flowers of a Top Knot of Universal Jewels, Pleasing Voice of Universal Awareness, Light of Inexhaustible Virtue of Universal Purity, Mark of Universal Light. Great brilliance of the light of the moon reflected in the ocean, undefiled treasury of light of oceans of cloud-like sounds, born of wisdom and adorned with virtue. Great light of sovereign virtue, brave lotus top-knot, sun banner of clouds of universal knowledge, greatly persevering with indestructible courage, light banner of fragrant flames, deep beautiful sound of great enlightenment, born of wisdom with the light of great virtue. These and others were the leaders. There were as many as there are atoms in 10 Buddha worlds. These enlightening beings had all in the past accumulated roots of goodness, along with Vairochana Buddha, and were all born from the ocean of roots of goodness of the Buddha. They had already fulfilled the various means of transcendence, and their wisdom eye was thoroughly clear. They observed all times with impartiality. They were thoroughly purified in all states of concentration. Their eloquence was oceanic, extensive, and inexhaustible. They possessed the qualities of Buddhahood, were dignified and honorable. They knew the faculties of sentient beings, and taught them according to potential and necessity. They entered into the matrix of the cosmos. Their knowledge was non-discriminatory. They experienced the liberation of the Buddhas, exceedingly deep and immensely vast. They were able to enter into one stage, according to technical expediency, yet maintain the virtues of all stages, supported by the ocean of all vows, always accompanied by wisdom, throughout the future.